I really don't even know what to say right now, you guys. Damn. Damn. The energy probably just ain't gonna be here today. Honestly, right now I'm just thankful to be alive, especially when I go back and I really start looking at this. I mean, look at my face, you guys. I'm scotch free. I seriously came away from this accident. I don't really have a scratch on me now. My arms and stuff, I'll show you guys that a little bit later. It's pretty messed up, and I screwed up my back. Like my lower back, I could barely walk. I was in excruciating pain. So these are all my car parts here laid around. Let's get into it, you guys. And yeah, let's talk about it. You guys know how hard I worked on this, how much I've been grinding, how much this car meant to me. It's a special anniversary edition on top of everything. So it's a rough one to lose. It's for sure totaled. All the framing on the firewall and everything is caved in. I'm honestly so thankful that I didn't have a passenger. Look at that passenger floorboard. You see the carpet, how it's all crumpled up? It's all hard behind there. That's the metal from the firewall body area, all crumpled up. You see this mark right here on the windshield. We don't know what hit. Of course, you want to assume your head, but if you guys have this car, you know how hard it is to get your head all the way to the windshield. That's pretty tough. If you look on my hand, I got a little bit of abrasions, nothing crazy though, so maybe that's my hand that hit it. I was trying to counter steer, so this right wheel was, or my right hand was on top of the wheel as I was trying to turn. Here's my side. Then these a-holes, damn tow truck driver put all my car parts inside the car, so I don't know how much of this leather's good anymore or what. Don't really know what my next move is even gonna be for sure. It looks like the cops were like trying to search for drugs or something in here, because they pulled off like all my knee bolsters. They flipped everything in my car upside down searching for stuff, but they got the wrong one. That ain't me, man. So there was nothing for them to find in there. So I guess back here, to be able to get to the battery, these fools busted out. Oh, it's like bent over now. I don't know if they got the freaking jaws of life or something cracked into here to get the battery and disconnect it. But what happened, you see all these wires frayed right here. There is no electrical in the car anyways. It all got yanked out, so no electrical was working. The Pro Charger, you see the teeth on the impeller. Yep, that's one thing. I've got receipts for everything on my car, so I mean, we'll see what I'm able to get out of insurance or what. Luckily, I did have insurance on this thing, so I guess I'm kind of covered, but there's no bringing this car back. It's been about 2 days now. Yeah, this happened Sunday night. Right now, this is like midday Tuesday. And I couldn't film, you guys. My back was so messed up. I've honestly been like almost bedridden the last couple days. The only thing I came out for is when I got this car towed from the tow yard over to here. So. What up, YouTube? It's your boy ZT. Now, this is footage from directly the day after the accident. This is when I just got to the tow yard and I'm seeing my car for the very first time. But the reason that I'm doing a voiceover on this for you guys real quick and checking into this video is because I just want to let you guys know that everything I filmed in this video and stuff, this is all pretty much from like almost a week ago now. I seriously have not been able to sit at a computer chair to edit this video, to get it all put together for you guys, to explain what happened. So that's why I've been quiet for so long, is I've literally pretty much been stuck to my bed because my lower back has really been messed up. Even editing this video, I kind of did it in sessions, and I will definitely have an update on what's coming next, so you guys stay tuned. Now let's get back to this video and what happened. As you can see, man, I mean, ripped everything off of here. Here's the wheel over here with the spring still attached to it. Alternator completely came apart, busted up the whole A-arms, spindles, whatever in the hell is in the front, crushed all the brace bars. This firewall is all caved in. You see the brace over the transmission tunnel there is all cracked. Looks like my LT2 intake is still in good shape, just those fins cracked. I looked on it pretty good, the rest of it looks okay, but regardless, man. So what happened, you guys, obviously, we freaking ran into a tree. Now the reason that this happened, you guys watching the channel probably have an idea already, but my rear tires here that we put on, oh man, I can barely get down. So if you guys look on the tires, man, on the inside, you can see the wire and there's just no tread left on there. So with the stock wheels and tires back on here, I mean, this thing was an absolute death trap in the rain. I should have never had that car in the rain with 8-inch stock tires when I normally run 11 inches out the back. Wasn't doing nothing crazy, wasn't out spinning donuts, I was not speeding, nothing insane, you guys. I gave it just a little bit of gas to go around that person and pass him up, and I'm talking a little bit. And when I gave it a little bit of gas, it downshifted and immediately kicked sideways. I saved it from hitting the car in the lane next to me, and then when it came back the other way, the front end started to push. It was wet outside, raining, and after that it was a wrap. Kind of got lucky the way this thing slid in here. I mean, it went in and it slid right by the motor here and bow. I mean, you can see the curvature there. I'm lucky in that I didn't hurt anybody. Nothing happened to anybody else. I was in the car and I got out. That suffered any injuries. There was no property damage to anybody's house, there, and nothing like that. So, and that's when I kind of turned around and looked back at my car, and I saw that it was done for, you guys. This accident happened, believe it or not. Like, it does not look like it, but I was seriously only going like 35, 40 miles an hour. Like, it's just wild how bad the damage is, how minuscule of a thing it was, and the way, because as you guys know, I'm used to this thing breaking loose. You've seen me on my pools and the back end is fishtailing, like, but when you're on rain, once those front tires push, it's a wrap. And this is like the first real rain of the season that we've had. So you guys know how the roads are when it's the first rain, just a bad set of circumstances. I mean, I wasn't doing nothing crazy. Yeah, man, just a straight up accident. All bad, all in the rain, all motherfucking bad. So what's next for this channel? Well, obviously, you guys aren't gonna see me for a while. I'll try to keep you updated as much as I can about anything going on. What am I gonna do with the parts? I'm sure everybody's gonna hop in here, say, pull all the parts off, save what you can. I will do that if that's what it comes to. I very well may end up taking the aftermarket parts off. Definitely this intake and stuff. I don't even know what I'm thinking about doing for our next car yet, you guys. I can't even get my brain that far yet. But yeah, I mean, I'm just counting my blessings. I'm thankful that I'm here. I want to say sorry to my family because I know I scared the crap out of everybody in my family, especially once they saw my car. I mean, everybody's happy that I'm alive, but yeah, and not only am I alive, I mean, you look at my face, I could walk around and look like nothing's wrong, but my back is pretty messed up. I'm taking like real short steps. It's rough, you know. Hopefully in a week or two my back comes back, but I don't really know what's next, you guys. But I'm gonna come up with something, y'all. You know I don't give up. Y'all know I believe in myself, and I'm always gonna bet on myself. I'm gonna bounce back somehow. This channel ain't ending. We're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep pushing. Just right now at this moment, it's a little bit hard for me to see the light at the end of the tunnel, but I know that I'm not gonna give up, and I'll keep working till I see that light, y'all. So yeah, I gotta see what my options are, figure out some more stuff. I don't got many answers for you guys right now. I'm just letting y'all know what happened. I'm gonna always keep it a buck with you guys. I know there's plenty of other people out there getting in an accident or something, try to hide it for people, but I never do that, man. Always keep it a buck with you guys. I always tell you guys I'm not perfect, but I just keep trying. I don't give up. So I ain't about to give up yet, y'all. This your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm out, baby. Peace. Oh, God.